Ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. Hey guys, welcome back to the shack. Today we're working on my 86 Mustang Fox Body Eugene the Death Machine. We got in some new rod and main bearings that we ordered online, some high performance engine bearings. So today we're going to check our rod bearing oil clearances and our main bearing oil clearances. We only got four pistons and rods out to the engine right now because we had 3 of them out and we ended up having to change one of the rods. Got screwed up when this engine took a crap. So we're going to be checking our oil clearances with a dial bore gauge and a micrometer versus using plastic gauge. If you want more information on how to measure oil clearances by using this method, because we're not going to go through step by step in this video, I'm going to put a link in the description below to Mike Finnegan from Roadkill. Has his own YouTube channel, and he did a really good video on how to measure for oil clearances for building your first engine. So like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description below. So yeah, we're just going to get to setting these up and putting the bearings in there and torquing them and checking our oil clearances. So then the next step from there, once we check them and verify everything is the way we want it to be, we're going to start assembling the short block and the rotating and assembly in this thing. So let's get started. So now that we're done with this rod, we're going to install the bearings into the other 7 rods and rinse and repeat. Installing the bearings, torquing the fasteners, and checking them with the dial bore gauge. Next we're going to move on and we're going to check the mains. I'll show you how to do one, and it's going to be similar fashion. We're going to install the bearings, set up the dial bore gauge for the correct size, and then check our oil clearances on the mains and make sure that those are all good. just finished checking all the oil clearances for all the main bearings. They're all good. They're just right around 3 thousandths, which is what we want. So now we got all our bearing clearances checked, and so now we can do just another quick cleanup on this block because it's got WD-40 and stuff on it that we've been soaking it to keep it from rusting while it's sitting. So we just need to do a quick cleanup on it, and hopefully in the next video you see we'll start assembling this the bottom end, and maybe even if we get real frisky, we'll
adventurous.
get the whole engine assembled, because after you get the bottom end together, it's not a whole lot more work. We got the heads and everything else just sitting on a table real close by, so we can maybe hopefully get most of this engine, even maybe a long block, together. But hopefully in the next video for this, you'll see us assembling the rotating assembly and starting to get this thing back together, and hopefully back running soon. Thanks for watching.